So, unfortunately, I've got this reputation as occasionally fixing some stuff, and I guess what's happened is I guess I'm kind of the last step before throwing something out, and I'm not sure that's really a good idea in this case. But I'm told that this bar blender is making a lot of noise, and so what I've done is start up here without really knowing how to program it. I can pulse it here, and that seems to be pretty much accurate. So what we can do here is see if the same thing happens without all the stuff on it. Okay, so now we have just all the stuff would be irrelevant. We have this part. See what happens. Okay, so it's not going to work without the jar, is that right? So what happens if you put this here? Okay, so I haven't discounted the problem could be this part because it seems to know when this is here. So it's not impossible the problem could be in here. I was going to start doing some experiments with taking this kind of apart to make sure there's no load. But the thing is, you can turn this pretty well, and that doesn't seem like it's anything that's unreasonable. Okay, so looking off the internet, what appears to be the problem is that there's nothing really wrong inside the machine. But what's happening here is these two things have worn down, so they're at times not gripping each other or missing. So, you know, there's a constant grinding. So basically this part here and that part there have worn down. That's possibly the problem. It's possible that isn't the only problem. Let's see what happens when I do this. So I've come up with a little experiment that should prove my theories and rule out that it's anything else. And what I'm doing is I'm going to put some tin foil over the blender here. And what this should do is it should make the two pieces contact better. Hopefully. So if that's true, I shouldn't get any of this noise. Okay, so